What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. But first of all, this is a very important video. Very important because if you are a business owner, you have a business, you started a business in 2024 or any time before 2024, then you should fill this out because you could end up paying up to $500 a day if you do not. And what am I talking about? So let's just get right to it because I'm going to show you guys how to fill this out, what you need to go to, what website you need to go to, and first of all, why you need to do it. And so you don't get fined. And what I'm talking about is going to be the Fincen report. So they made a statement earlier this year. I've known about it, but I just filled it out because I've just been holding back on it. But the Fincen report is just basically proving that you are the owner of the business of the LLC that you own. So you need to fill this out and let the government know that you yourself own this LLC. So I'll walk you through the process online. I'll drop the link down below. I'll also drop another video link of a CPA and an accountant who shows you how to properly do this so that you don't have to pay your CPA to do it. So I just want to make sure I made this video for you guys because I filled it out. And I want to make sure that all you business owners don't end up getting into trouble next year in 2025 by not filling this out and getting fined thousands and thousands of dollars. So if you're a business owner, this is extremely imperative. You should do this. And if not, well, I guess we'll see if it's legitimate or not, but it is. So let me know down below in the comments. Drop your comments if you've done it already. Let your friends know, your other business owners know that own businesses, that are business owners, that they should file this. But let's walk you through the process, show you how to do it and what you need to do. And hopefully it helps you guys out so you don't have to pay tons of fees. Appreciate it. Let's jump into it. This is it, y'all. This is something that you're going to need to fill out, or you could get up to $500 a day in fines if you had started a business in 2024 or you have a business before then, any year before, then you're going to want to fill this out. And you don't want to be wasting or getting fined thousands and thousands of dollars if you don't. So how you can do this is I will link this down below. And I also link a video on how you should properly fill it out from a CPA, because a lot of CPAs will actually charge you to be able to do this, and it's a pretty simple process. This is the Fincen report, right? Financial Crimes Enforcement Network. What you're going to want to do is hit that link, boifiling.fincen.gov. If you want to download a PDF and then fill it out and then send it in, you can do that, but it's easier if you just do the e-filing. So what you can do is file the BRR here or try the e-filing. When I tried this, it just kept doing this. It just kept opening up different tabs. So file BOR, I would click on that, prepare and submit on the web. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to do this is, if you haven't filed it yet, an initial report. Of course, the date, hit next. This is if you have multiple different LLCs. So I will put a link down below for you guys to check out. But if you have multiple LLCs, then you're going to want to receive a Fincen ID. They'll give you different Fincen IDs for multiple different ones. If not, you don't need to use it. You're going to want to put in your LLC name, as well as your EIN or your social security number. So I did EIN, put the name in, see, tax identification, randoms, the state. You don't need to do the tribe, and then of course an address. Now you're going to go to company applicants. So if you had hired someone to do your LLC, which, to be honest, guys, you don't need to pay someone $400, $500, $1,000 to set up an LLC. It's actually a really simple process. And depending on the state, really determines the annual fee that you need to pay. In Florida, I believe it's $95 where I set mine up. I always recommend you can do this on your own. You can do it properly without having to spend a ton of money on another business or company to be able to outsource it to you because it's pretty simple. But if you have like a CPA or you work with another company, then you're going to want to include their information down below here by choosing. But if it's just you, like it was just me, I created it, then I'm going to do existing reporting company. If not, then you're not going to do that. You're going to fill out their information. So you don't need to fill out company applicant if it's just you. So then you would go to next, and then you would do beneficial owners. This is yourself. No, you don't necessarily have a Fincen ID if this is your first time. And then, of course, your legal name, your current mailing address, and then proving who you are with a state issued driver's license, passport, or anything for that matter. And then you'll have to take a photo of that, or if you have it on file on your computer, and upload that. And then you would go next, and then you would submit it. Now, when you submit it, they're also going to have a copy for it. I'd recommend, just like when you got your articles of incorporation, your EIN number, all that information, that you save that to a verified folder in your computer and put, Fincen 2024 application or process or submission. So that is going to be something super important. So hopefully that helps many of you guys save yourself from getting fined from Fincen, from the government, and helps you out into the new year. If this is your first time on the channel, guys, this is where I talk all things personal credit, business credit, and of course, travel hacking. So if you're a business owner, you have good personal credit, you have good personal lines, there's certain requirements that come to getting high limits of credit, business lines of credit, business loans, and you need help getting access to that, you need help with certain relationships, then feel free to reach out to me. I work directly with business owners, more one-on-one capacity done with you process where you're able to utilize my relationships and I can get you up to 50 to 100 to even more in terms of funding, depending on what you're looking for. So if you need that type of help and you're a business owner, you want to scale your business, you want to continue marketing your business and growing your business, then reach out to me and I'm happy to talk about all the benefits of business credit, business lines of credit, loans, and of course, the benefits of travel and the points and miles that you can get from those things. So I work with you guys one-on-one. Reach out if you have questions. Hopefully this helps you guys and you enjoy the rest of your day. I appreciate you as always. Drop in the comments, like, and of course, subscribe if it's valuable to you, and check out some of the other videos on the channel as well. Appreciate it. Peace.